That sound, the sound of a workpiece being ruined. It's not just wasted wood, it's wasted time and frustration. If you're serious about woodworking, you know a handheld router can only take you so far. The real magic happens when you pair it with the right router table. But which one? The cheap ones are flimsy and dangerous, while the expensive ones can be overkill. Our team of woodworkers put the top models through hundreds of hours of testing, making precision dados, delicate edge profiles, and testing for absolute stability. Today, we're revealing the 5 router tables that delivered flawless results in 2025. Our number 1 pick has a fence system so accurate, it will change everything you build. Starting at number 1. Bosch Benchtop Router Table. Best overall. Bosch Benchtop Router Table. The Bosch RA1181 Benchtop Router Table is for professionals who prioritize ease of assembly, robust build quality, and a stable work surface. Setting it up is kind of like assembling a piece of IKEA furniture. It's not exactly fun, but the clear instructions and straightforward steps mean you'll have it ready in about an hour. The router table is built with practicality in mind. The base is a solid plastic that's more about stability than style, and the aluminum top gives you a smooth, durable surface to work on. It's light enough to move around easily, which is great for folks who are constantly on the move from one job site to another. Let's dive into what you're really getting with this router table. The tabletop and mounting plate are aluminum, which means they're tough and keep things accurate for your work. The fence is this hefty MDF board that you can adjust with plastic knobs. It's simple, effective, and surprisingly precise. There's a neat feature, a built-in circuit breaker and an on-off switch right on the table. This isn't just about convenience, it's a safety feature that protects your router and gives you peace of mind. The base of the router table is plastic, but don't let that fool you. It's sturdy and keeps the table anchored down without making it a beast to move around. And for those who hate cleaning up, the 1/2-inch vacuum hose port can be connected to a dust extractor for less mess and dust flying around, which is always a win in our book. Number 2. WoodRiver Benchtop Router Table. Most versatile. The WoodRiver Benchtop Router Table is the kind of equipment that doesn't scream for attention with flashy features or gimmicks. Instead, it does its job, and it does it well, offering a sturdy platform for your routing needs. Crafted for those who take their woodworking seriously, it's evident that every aspect of this router table was designed with the user's workflow in mind. It's not about having the most features, it's about having the right ones in the right place at the right time. The tabletop is a spacious, flat area that provides ample room for maneuvering large pieces. The surface material is smooth, ensuring your workpiece glides easily across it without snagging or resistance. The fence is more than just a straight edge, it's a fully adjustable guide that helps ensure your cuts are precise and consistent. The adjustment mechanism is intuitive, allowing for quick changes without needing to reach for a tool. Safety is paramount, and this router table includes features like a clear bit guard and a reliable power switch. These are designed to protect the user without hindering the woodworking process. Number 3. SKIL RT1323-01 Router Table. Most compact. The SKIL SRT1039 router table isn't just another tool in the shed. What makes it a standout is the combination of functionality with user-friendly features. Its most lauded feature, the above-table router lift, is a testament to SKIL's user-centric design philosophy. This innovative lift mechanism is a game-changer, allowing for quick and hassle-free bit adjustments with just a hex key. Gone are the days of awkwardly fumbling under the table for adjustments. This router table, when paired with a SKIL router, forms an unbeatable duo, though its universal design ensures compatibility with most routers out there. Whether you're a newbie aiming to diversify your projects or a seasoned pro in need of a portable backup, the SRT1039 stands out as a remarkably solid choice. The genius of the router table lies in its storage legs, a design choice that's as practical as it is unique. Adjustable shelves housed within these legs offer ample space for collar inserts, bits, and other accessories. This thoughtful design not only keeps essential tools organized and within arm's reach but also underscores the table's mobility, making it a breeze to transport to various job sites or tuck away when space is at a premium. The design strikes a fine balance between being lightweight for easy mobility and sturdy enough for dependable use across various projects. The quick-release mechanism for the router adds another layer of versatility, allowing for swift removal and installation, which is particularly useful for professionals who transition between workshop and on-site jobs. Number 4. Ryobi Universal Router Table. Most sturdy. The Ryobi A25RT03 router table stands out for its universal appeal, bridging the gap between affordability and performance. At its core, the A25RT03 is about bringing precision and flexibility to the workshop. Its design acknowledges the diverse needs of woodworkers, offering a platform that supports a wide range of routing projects. This isn't about reinventing the wheel, it's about refining it, making the router table not just an accessory but an indispensable part of your workshop. Its robustness encourages you to push the boundaries of your craft, while its intuitive design ensures that your focus remains on the creation, not the tool. The universal clamp system is compatible with all types of routers. This inclusivity means you're not tied to a single manufacturer, offering flexibility in how you choose to equip your workspace. Workpiece. Number 5. Bosch Laminated MDF Top RA1171. Best Bosch router table. Unlike most benchtop models that are supported by legs, Bosch's RA1171 sits on a cabinet. This gives it a few advantages. The cabinet makes for a sturdy base that prevents movement and vibration during use, and it helps to keep sawdust contained, so it doesn't end up all over your workshop floor. 2 dust ports also help to keep dust under control. And since much of that cabinet space is unoccupied, it makes for a handy place to store bits, a miter gauge, and other accessories. The RA1171 also features a thick 15.5 by 25-inch melamine work surface with a large aluminum mounting plate, a 4-inch tall aluminum fence that can handle taller materials, and 2 good-sized featherboards to keep stock secure. The RA117 is also reasonably priced, making it a good choice if you're looking for a model that won't break the bank. And that's how you turn your router from a tool into a precision woodworking machine. No more tear out, no more inconsistent cuts, just professional results. If this guide helped you find the perfect foundation for your shop, please support us by liking this video, it really helps. For more no BS tool reviews and projects that will take your skills to the next level, subscribe and hit the bell. All the links to check current prices, compatibility, and where to buy every table we featured are in the description below. Now go make some sawdust!